What'd you do to my room, little rat?
Oh, well, I was just experimenting a little bit with it.
Oh, you are one crazy rat. Have you always done this?
Well, of course. I remember this one time, I even got to sing a song.
Hey sis, look what I found out into the yard.
A magical rainbow rat.
Yeah, that's what he says he is. A magical rainbow rat? I say, what's up with that?
That's what I am, and I am proud. I'm as real as this cloud.
I won't believe it unless I see it.
Okay, then let's do it. You like pink and you also like purple. Ah, what did you do? You like red and don't forget green. I have blue and everything in between except for shoes. But I do have blues. You like hats, I know you like that. I've got every color you like, everything you like, every color you like. Yeah, wait, come back here. We're about to have to go to school. We don't want to go like this.
You are one crazy little rat.
I know.
Oh, by the way, can you fix my room?
About that.
What?
No. Can you find the rat?